Hi, artists. It's Miss Messer, your friendly neighborhood art teacher. And all week long, we've been talking about architecture and architects and building buildings. And today we're going to work on building our playground. So we're going to be adding architectural elements using the map that we had yesterday, that we made yesterday, scissors, glue, and paper scraps. So let's go ahead and get started together. Okay, so here is my map from yesterday, and I also have the rest of my items out nearby. So I've just got some scraps. This is the scraps from earlier in the week. Remember to save your scraps because we can always use them. I've got a scrap of bigger paper here. And then if you have, this is just a piece that I tore out of a magazine. If you've got anything like junk mail, magazines, anything that's around the house that you know it's okay for you to use, so double check with your grown up at home. You can use those things as part of your artwork too. You can also use notebook paper. So think about what you can use just by looking around and seeing what's available. So today we're going to add some different sculptural elements because this is just a map right now. It's flat and we want to build on top of it because we're architects. So I'm going to show you how to add some different elements to your playground. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is what's called an accordion fold. So you start by cutting a skinny strip of paper, and then you use your pinchy fingers and you pinch back at the top. So you're going back and you're going forward and you're going back and you're going forward and back and pinch and forward and pinch and back and pinch and forward and pinch and back and pinch, forward and pinch and back and pinch and forward and pinch. Oh my gosh, you get the idea? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see here. I did the whole thing and now it looks all tiny, but look what happens when I let it go. Oh my gosh, it becomes stairs. It becomes a ladder. It becomes a bridge. It can be whatever I want it to be. So after I do that, I'm going to take a couple dots of glue. Remember, our rule for glue is dot, dot, not a lot. And you open up your glue by twisting just the orange tip on the top. So you put a baby dot and a baby dot. And then you find where you want to put it on your map. So maybe I want to make a bridge from this black shape over here to my purple triangle shape over here. So I'm going to push it down. And I push, and you can't see this, but I'm pushing so hard on where I put my glue. Oh my gosh. And now I've got a bridge. It's so cool. So I pressed and I held it for about 10 seconds. Let's see what I could add next. Okay, another thing I could do is if I want like a smooth, if I want something smooth, instead of kind of the steps or that maybe it's a ladder, I could do something similar, but just a little different. So I'm going to start with another strip of paper. Okay, and then I'm going to fold part of it. I'm just going to pinch the end. So I'm going to pinch one end up and I'm going to pinch the other end up. And then all I'm going to do is kind of bend it. And then I'll add my dot of glue and my dot of glue. We're going to call these the feet. So I'm going to add a dot of glue on each foot. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Maybe I want another bridge, or maybe this is my slide. That's cool. I like that. I'm going to make this like a slide or like a tunnel. So I'm pressing down and I'm going to count to about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have to press down really hard while I do that. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I love it. Now I could also add, let's see.